Hi there and welcome to a new video, and today I'll give you some tips and strategies how to expand your vocabulary. Let's boost your word power. Let's get it started. So the first strategy is to read. Read a lot, read wisely, regularly. Read books, newspapers, magazines. Expose yourself to all these words, phrases and their contexts. Make a habit of reading. First, start reading something easy according to your level and then gradually challenge yourself with more complex contexts. The second strategy is to use a vocabulary journal. Write down, record all the words and phrases you don't know, write down their definitions, their synonyms, and minimum 3-5 example, your own example with these words. And then don't forget about them. Review your journal regularly in order to reinforce your learning and your knowledge. The third strategy is to stop memorizing lists of words. If you want to learn a word, learn it in context. It is believed that in order to remember and to start to use a word, we need to come across it at least 20-25 times. Try to use these words in sentences and engage in conversation when you can employ these words naturally. For instance, you come across a verb to improve. To improve means to make something better. We can improve skills, we can improve speaking skills, we can improve writing skills, or we can improve cooking skills. Try to use them in sentences. For example, I want to improve my cooking skills. That's why I'm planning to take up a cooking course. The next strategy is to create a word association. For example, a word reluctant. It's an adjective. What does it mean? It means unwilling to do something. For example, my dog is reluctant to go outside because it's raining. It's hiding under the table. So imagine in your head a dog is hiding under the table. Why? Why is it hiding? Because it's raining outside and he doesn't want to go outside. Oh, poor little puppy doesn't want to go outside because he's afraid of getting wet. So he's reluctant, he's unwilling. So we need to imagine, we need to create association with words we want to learn. Take advantage of the wide range of apps and games available online. These interactive platforms and apps often offers fun exercises, quiz to expand your vocabulary. For instance, you can use Duolingo, Anki, Quizlet, WordUp. Choose any of them and practice your vocabulary. The next strategy is to join vocabulary building community. Participate in groups, chats, forums where you can interact with native speakers and other English learners in order to exchange and share your knowledge. The next strategy is to watch videos like TED Talks, documentary films, listen to podcasts, audiobooks, expand yourself to different accents of English language. Pay attention to how words are used and incorporate them in your own conversations. And the last strategy is to engage in conversation and language exchanges. Seek opportunity to practice your speaking skills with native speakers or other English learners. I hope this video was useful for you. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.